Well, welcome to the new video. Here's the forecast. So, it's going to be a warm one. So, we got today here, and then next week, we get up to the upper 30s. As you can see here, 35, 36. Although the lows do not reach 18 yet, so that does not signify a heat warning yet. But, anyways, yep, and then this period here, I would expect some thunderstorm potential, despite what it says. See the weather forecast and stuff during this period here, so we'll see. But yeah, just a pretty quick update here. There you guys go. I will see you guys later on today, if not tomorrow morning. Yep. Well, we are now in our first heat warning since I think 2018, August 2018, and it is because of this little heat streak we're gonna have from Sunday till Wednesday. Well, more so Monday, Tuesday, but still, kind of like this period here is gonna be quite warm. So we got 33 for Sunday, and then this is where it really counts here: 35 on Monday and 36 on Tuesday. We're looking at potentially surpassing fucking 37, 38 on Tuesday. Typically, when it's 36 degrees, that's like airport, kind of like not when you're in an urban area, but when you're like an urban area, it's like add like 2 degrees. So we might near 40 for the first time in a while, but I'm doubtful. But after that, we start cooling down slightly as we start getting to a more trophy period after Wednesday. Here is the heat warning that is in place here. Yep. So hot temperatures, like I said, starts Sunday with the hottest temperatures. Monday and Tuesday, as said there, and then Wednesday we start. It's kind of like slowly dipping, kind of like it's the same as Sunday, kind of. So yeah. But yeah, we are now in our first heat warning since 2018, August 2018, I believe. Yep. There you guys go. I will see you guys tomorrow morning. So, here is the forecast. Heat warning here. We got today here, nice 32 high. And then Monday to Tuesday, here we go. Mid 30s there with the human X value in the upper 30s. Although the lows don't meet heat warning criteria, but yeah. Wednesday, Tuesday we cool down slightly, very slightly, still in the low 30s, almost touching mid 30s for Wednesday. And then Friday we start cooling down. There's a thunderstorm threat there. So there's that. And then the weather network, finally I can show you guys them for the first time in a while. They finally have something worthy of showing for once. Maybe wait 5 hours. But yeah, they have a thunderstorm threat for Friday here. Risk of a thunderstorm Friday here. You can see 60% chance for the daytime. Has very similar characteristics as to last Friday, in the sense that much of the threat's going to be in late morning to afternoon, and then diminished by the early evening. Not the latest, but so there's that. But that is about it. There you guys go. I will see you guys later on today at some point, potentially, if not tomorrow morning. Lovely. So 35 tomorrow, 37 degree humid X value. Tuesday, 35 degrees. Wednesday, 34. Thursday, 36. And then finally we get a nice cool down in Friday with a thunderstorm threat. But probably by this time everywhere is going to be in an extreme threat. Fire risk, I mean. Oh, Lord to be. Jesus Christ. heat warning is going to be in effect for quite a while, probably until Thursday. All I can say is hope and pray that Friday is a rain-filled thunderstorm threat. That's all I can say. But yeah, that's actually about it. There you guys go. I will see you guys later tomorrow morning. Yep. Boring as all hell. What fun. Well, I guess now the heat warning has been extended until Thursday instead of Tuesday. Oh. Son of a bitch. Fucking Christ. This is gonna be horrible on the fire rating. Oh, I can just hope people can hold it together in the Friday and beyond's thunderstorm threats are rain-filled. Oh, jeez. Here is the forecast. Oh, Lord. So, today 35. Feeling like 37. Tomorrow it's just going to be straight up 35. Wednesday here we got 34. Cools down slightly. And then Thursday we got a whole whopping 37 with a low of 20. Oh my god. Unbelievable. And then there are no longer any showers possible. Now it just cools down very slightly into the low 30s. I got a feeling that'll change drastically because Friday is, no matter what, a thunderstorm threat, as well as Saturday. I don't know about Sunday. I don't think Sunday is a threat, but still Friday, Saturday are very clear thunderstorm threats. So expect that to change. But yeah, really warm for Thursday. We will be touching near that 40-degree mark because we always get a degree or two warmer compared to the airport. So yeah, there you guys go. I will see you guys later on today sometime, probably with temperature updates. Yep. Currently a toasty 35.4 degrees. We're almost already near our peak hottest temperature of the year so far, which has been actually exactly 36.0 degrees. Wait, no, 35.6. I think, yeah. 35.6 or 36. One way or another, we're near it still. I expect this to be very thoroughly broken either Wednesday or Thursday. Today, I expected to kind of just barely break it, if not touch it or tie it. But whatever, there you guys go. I will see you guys later on today sometime with another temperature update and or 4 o'clock update. Well, it's already 33 at the airport. The humidex is 35. Humidity's relatively actually not bad, 26. Yep, so 35 tomorrow, Wednesday, 36, Thursday, 35 Friday. Although these days are looking like thunderstorm threats. I don't know what they're getting at right now. I guess it's just uncertainty, which I can agree with, but these days look like pretty solid thunderstorm threats. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, although temperature should drop, as noted by then. But I'm very doubtful temperatures will hold at 35 with the trough coming in, but I guess it'll be too late of a reprieve. But, yeah. There you guys go. I will see you guys outside with a temperature update. Yep. And so I'll keep you updated with this. I actually forgot the show. Now, I love how they've been extending this. It went from Wednesday, Thursday, now to Friday. Oh my god. Oh, Jesus. But yeah, it looks like Kootenai's Saturday, so it seems like we're right in the middle, because they say Fraser Canyon, which is quite far to our west, for Friday, and then Kootenai's to our east, which is not too, it's it's a decent amount to our east. We kind of like sit almost in the middle, so it's kind of like maybe it's Friday night, I don't know, but I really see a thunderstorm threat coming up, potentially even severe at the moment, but it all comes down to how dry it'll still be. But yeah, just keeping you guys posted on the current heat taking place. Only continues to get hotter. Sorry, some fucking fly. Yeah, only continues to get hotter. 35.5. I think that'll be our peak for today, but we will see. We will see. I'll be back up here in just a little bit after I switch the waters just to be sure. Wow. So already, we have gotten up to 34 degrees, or it's actually higher now. If we go to current right now, it's 34.2 at 5 o'clock here. Yeah. We got up to a humidex value of 37 degrees. I'm not too sure if that's a record. I'm doubtful, but it might be. But, yeah. What a start. And this is only going to continue to trend higher. Maybe tomorrow might be kind of steady to even a slight decrease, but after tomorrow, that's what I expect. I will leave you guys with that for today. Want to give a brief update on the temperature here before tomorrow morning's update. Yep, it is 33 here, 30 at the airport. Kind of makes me feel it's taking into account the humidex, but I'm very doubtful. Because, I mean, obviously I'm in a more urban area, so... Yeah, it is 30 degrees, feeling like 33. It's almost 8 o'clock. 33 here, almost 8 o'clock, or technically is. What a shit show. This really makes me feel like Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday and potentially even Friday are going to be annoyingly warm. Hot. There you guys go, though. I will see you guys in the morning. Alright, so here's the forecast. So 35 today, tomorrow. Pretty consistent there. Humidex 36 tomorrow. And Thursday, still gonna be the warmest day, 36. And then Friday, we drop down to the low 30s. Still no thunderstorm threat, which is interesting. And yeah, and then we get down to the high 20s, thankfully. I mean, as long as we drop, that's good. But yeah, I expect this to change. Oh, that one, yeah. I expect this to change and even this to change over the coming days. But yeah. And the weather network here, I'm just going to show theirs due to the temperatures they have forecasted for us. Seems like something out of fucking the hottest place in BC, which is Lytton all the time. 38 degrees. What the fuck? And that's Friday, apparently. What? There's a 30% chance, too, of precipitation, so it makes me wonder what kind. Yeah. But yeah, just a quick update with the weather next forecast as well. There you guys go. I will see you guys later on today with temperature updates and potentially 11 o'clock update. It is 36. Oh my god. Been outside for maybe about half an hour, give or take, and I'm already sweating as if I just went for like a 1 mile, like 3 mile jog or something. Oh, cool down a bit. It's 35.8, but that could be because of me. But so far the peak is 35.9. Oh Jesus. Holy shit. Half an hour or so later, it is up to 37 degrees. 36.9 to be exact. Holy shit. Fucking hell. It is hot as fuck today. My God, I wonder what it's gonna be in the next half an hour. Holy shit. 37.2 degrees. The sun popped back up, so we're back on a heating trend. We were initially going down. Holy mother of fuck. And just... Yep, this is not overheating. Holy Christ. Almighty. 37.2. Fucking Christ. Yep. So this is the airport. This is the forecast, current conditions, etc. Yep. So this is how it's looking. It's 35 at the airport. It's currently 34.6. I wonder what the peak was. 34.6. Humidex peaked at 35. Yeah, the humidity's been dropping down to the high teens. It's not overly heat. It's not overall fire weather yet, thankfully. Fire weather, I'd say, is when winds are at least like 20k and humidity's down to like below 20. So we kind of, and then temperatures above 30. The winds kind of haven't been met yet, and the humidity's just below. It's kind of almost elevated. It's like semi-elevated fire conditions. But yeah, we shall see what happens with Thursday to Saturday. Friday's looking like a sleeper event. Potentially some severe potential, but it's not really having much support yet from forecasting, nor cams yet, but they're still far out. There you guys go. I will see you guys potentially later on today, if not tomorrow morning. Alright, here is the forecast. This is a pretty big one. So, today, it's going to be nice, clear, all that. Thursday, as you can see here, 36, almost a humidex value near 40. Yeah, but we might have a thunderstorm threat coming up sooner or later with the forecast for Thursday and or Thursday night, as there is cam support as long with a bunch of other models that show some decent thunderstorm potential Thursday night. Nice discrete pop-up stuff that could be quite nice. And then we got Friday here. Friday is looking literally juicy for thunderstorms. All that needs to be watched right now is a cap right now. That's all we need to watch for, is a cap. Although that will keep storms to a discrete mode rather than all clumped up and everything goes to shits. And then Saturday we clear up. Sunday's nice. Cool down a slight bit though, obviously low 30s. And then next week we got ourselves another thunderstorm threat coming up for Monday, where our temperatures then drop down to the high 20s, which is a little bit more normal for this time of year. Although it's still slightly above normal, but not overly above normal like it's going to be. But yeah, so here's the forecast here, Environment Canada. The weather dynamic here. Please tell me it loads. Please. Eat. Alright. So, it has warm stuff still, but then it cools down, so as you can see here. So there's the Friday stuff here that'll probably change. And we got Monday here, decent rainfall potential, as well as for Tuesday here. And then we warm right back up to the high 20s, but we stay that way. Still get some shower potential later on next week. But that's quite far out, so yeah, there's that. I don't need this anymore. And then National Weather Service has us in a thunderstorm risk, but an isolated dry thunderstorm risk. And this is obviously for the daytime. This is obviously for the afternoon, early nighttime crap. Although I think the nighttime stuff will be a little bit more moisture, but still. So that's Wednesday. No, I mean Thursday, tomorrow. And then again for Friday, we got another chance at some isolated dry thunderstorms. 10% there, you can see. Yep. Yeah. We're gonna see how things trend out, but so far it's looking like we'll be in for a nice little active Thursday, Friday, thankfully to end July off. Hopefully on a good note. There you guys go. I will see you guys later on today. At some point. Well, here's a start. So, some slight changes have been made here. Everything down here is about the same. Things that have changed. Nothing with today. Everything's about the same. Today's still pretty warm. Warm. And then Thursday here. Now we have a 30% chance of showers in the afternoon. Still the same temperature, same humidex value, 39. Yeah. And that'll probably be a thunderstorm threat at the 4 o'clock update, but we'll see. And then Friday now, it's still 60% chance, but nothing for Friday night now. Now that will likely change once we get to the threat, because it's never just an afternoon threat. Never. So, yeah. There you guys go. I will see you guys later on today sometime. Alrighty, it's about 4:15, almost ready for the 4 o'clock update. It's currently 36 degrees right now. It's a little bit on the cooler side, well, a little bit cooler, not cooler side, a little bit cooler compared to yesterday so far, but yesterday's peak was at around 4:15, and it's, I mean, yeah, I wouldn't doubt the 37 degree temperature, but I think we'll reserve the 100 degree peak tomorrow, conveniently coinciding with tomorrow's thunderstorm threat. But yep, I'll keep you guys posted. I will see you guys a little bit later on with the 4 o'clock update and or temperature update. Here's the forecast. So, tomorrow we got ourselves the thunderstorm threat here. Risk of a thunderstorm in the afternoon and early in the evening. No icon because that is a dry thunderstorm potential, so it'd be quite stupid to say thunderstorm threat with thunderstorm icon with rain when it's a dry thunderstorm potential, so little to no rain. So that's the case for Thursday here. Still a humidex value up to 39. Friday, still looking at a 60% chance of showers. Highly likely a thunderstorm threat, potentially severe. Everything else is the same here. Still 30% chance of showers Monday night. 34 at the airport. And then the outlook's out, and it's an interesting one to say the least. I mean, at least we're in a minor risk, but so there's a 40. Oh god, we're in a minor risk for 40-kilometer wind gusts. My only guess as to why they have this up is because of the dry thunderstorm potential. So really, any lightning started fire will easily blow up in such winds. So they just decided to add that on as a threat just to be safe. Nice to see here, 5 p.m. I thought would likely go into way into the evening hours as well, but we'll see. Models are wishy-washy, but we'll see. But I believe there'll be a lot more than 40-kilometer wind gusts. But we'll see. There you guys go. I will see you guys a little bit later on, probably with a temperature update. Oh, whoopee-doo. Just fucking shoot myself. The funny thing is, the Avalanche Canada's forecast discussion says, oh, thunderstorms for Okanagan Valley, Okanagan Valley. It's like, shut up. Ugh. Despite what this says, I'm still going to say today there's a very slight chance of thunderstorm for much of today. Well, for later on in the afternoon and for the evening hours. Tomorrow, there may be a chance of a strong, severe potential tomorrow, but still a lot of concerns as to how things will evolve. But one way or another, still a thunderstorm threat. Today and tomorrow is supposed to be fucking warm as shit. As you can tell, 37, 36. Humid X value getting up to just below 40, 39. And then we have a little break here. We cool down slightly to the low mid 30s. And then we drastically get lower from Monday here next week. With a 30% chance of showers in a day and 60% at night. Thunderstorm threat as you would expect, and then it warms back up to the high 20s to low 30s for Wednesday. But there's that. Heat warning holding strong. The Weather News forecast, on the other hand, is like, I don't know how they fucking manage this, but they're better than Environment Canada's. They have a thunderstorm threat for tomorrow, as you can see here. Let's give a thunderstorm day and night. And then they have one for Monday as well here. But I mean, after that, yeah. But yeah, that's about it. There you guys go. I will see you guys later on today with the 11 o'clock update. I don't know what to think of this. Oh my god. So, at least, okay, so they've put back the thunderstorm threat for today. 30% chance of showers late this afternoon. Risk of thunderstorms late this afternoon. And this goes into early this evening. Temperature still poised to get up to 37 with a humid X value of 39. Tomorrow, still yet to see a thunderstorm threat, but I think it's for Friday night they're going for it, so that's why it's not showing up, because it's more than 24 hours out. 37, it's up to 37 now. Supposed to, oh wait, no, that was today, that was 36. Yesterday was initially 37, 39. Today is now 37, 39, and tomorrow's 37 with a 40-degree humid X value. If that comes into fruition tomorrow, I am highly likely to hit a 40-degree temperature. Temperature could easily really have a close fight with the temperature record for Friday, which I'm actually not too sure what it is. I would have to check. But yeah. And everything else beyond that's the same. I checked Monday. Monday has a little bit of uptrend going with it, so it's not too bad. Has some hope stringing onto it compared to these next 2 days, which today and tomorrow, which have little hope but high expectations. Thunderstorm threat, though, outlook has an interesting take on it, though, for today. 80 km/h wind gusts to our west and east. Literally a fine line right down the middle. Now, we're in a thunderstorm threat, so I don't know if I should consider us... I should honestly just consider us right in it right here. But we're kind of just in like that generalized thunderstorm threat that... For some reason they don't have, I don't know. Sometimes the outlook has a thunderstorm threat for us and the forecast does, and sometimes the forecast has a thunderstorm threat for us and the outlook doesn't. That's agreement for you. But yeah. That's about literally it. Hot temperatures for the next, including today, next 2 days. And a thunderstorm threat for today and likely tomorrow. There you guys go. I will see you guys later on today. At some point. Alright. It's about just before 2:15. The threat doesn't start until about 45 minutes from now. We're already having some initiation, as you can tell, down to our northwest here. This is, I don't know which is actually being showed up on radar, but I think it's that one? No. It's like this one down here, but this one looks like it'll pop up on the next scan here. But there's that. The cap is indeed eroding. I do have to check the new meso analysis to see for sure if it's eroded by now. I do expect much of southern BC to be out of a cap by 3 o'clock. But except for that, it's pretty darn clear right now. Yeah. And Environment Canada issued their day 2 for tomorrow, and let's just say we're not even in a thunderstorm risk. Minor risk in their case. The severe risk is way up in the central interior. It's essentially a fucking like high-end day there, up there. This is like one of those days where I'd fucking start packing and drive up there. Because it's quite a high-end event up there. It's looking like it could be quite the... Looks like it could be quite the day up there. But we got everything going down here. It's just... trough is not close enough. It's going to be penetrating central portions of BC rather than southern. Southern should be left out of it. But yeah, temperature is just below 34.5 degrees. Just below my threshold of needing to show the temperature, which is 34.5 or higher. And yeah, there you guys go. I will see you guys later on today sometime. And it's 36.3 now. It's not too shabby. Nothing to show. Cumulus is not doing shit yet. Yeah. It's pretty sad. Pretty sad. Yep, I'll see you guys a little bit later on at some point. Yep. Is peaked at 36.7 so far right now. I'm gonna go head out for a tad bit, so yeah. Let's see how it changes over time. I believe it'll get up to 37, but we will see. We will see. New forecast is out. Still 30% chance of showers early this evening with the risk of thunderstorms. Very doubtful, but we'll see. Tomorrow still 37 with a humid index value of 40. Still mix of sun and cloud during the day. Friday night though, like I expected, 30% chance of showers late in the evening and after midnight with a risk of thunderstorms. So we got some Friday night thunderstorm potential. Monday's still the same. Essentially everything else is still the same here. So there it is here. The risk is till 8, so we still got 4 hours, just under 4 hours. And then tomorrow here, the peak will be at around 5 o'clock then, I guess, because it's only up to 36, as you can see there. But yeah, we're not in a minor risk right now, but for tomorrow. But all right, just like today, not in a minor risk, but we're in a thunderstorm threat. Same goes for tomorrow. Not in a minor risk, but in a thunderstorm risk. We'll see how things go. I will show you guys the temperature in just a little bit here. Right when I thought it was leveling off, it's up to 36.8 now as a peak. Close enough to 37, I guess, but I mean, the actual peak for this year has been 37.3, I believe. I don't remember temperatures, but yeah. Yep, I'll leave you guys with that. I'll be showing you guys conditions at the airport in just a moment here. So, this is how the past 24 hours have been so far. This will probably be the only time I show it here. It's up to 35 here with a humid index value 36 at 4, but temperature is slightly cooler, but the humid index is now up to 37, as I believe the humidity has increased slightly, so as the temperature has slightly decreased and such. So yeah, and then next 24 hours here. Nice. What? Oh, no, it's still 4 o'clock. I thought the 5 o'clock would pop up by now. Whatever. There you guys go. I'll see you guys a little bit later on. Well, now, Alright, we have had some hope build up. Everything's just built up now. It's a little bit more hope with this. They now have a heat warning. The heat warning in place now has the mentioning of thunderstorm development for the interior. So central, southern, that's interior. Essentially all BC interior for Friday. So I'd assume they're going to probably expand that minor risk, just fucking all over BC tomorrow, but we'll see. So they're just say it because of the hot and dry weather and then the lightning strikes, but gives me hope, gives me a lot of hope with tomorrow. Although when I don't know, it's like a love-hate thing. Instead it's like yes and no thing. I do want it, but at the same time I don't. But yeah, and then currently we do have some storm development ongoing down to our southwest here. I can actually see some of the wisp that's coming off of it. It's blowing right this way, so. But yeah, the threat kind of just goes from today. Threat says it goes till 8, but to me I like to expand that till about 10. That seems a bit too early to call it. But yeah, there you guys go. I will see you guys later on today sometime potentially, if not tomorrow morning, if nothing happens, which is unlikely. Got up to. So yeah, it's pretty persistent there. And we got these storms going on down here. Oops, shit. Can't see that. Yeah. And then there's the stratiform precip that's spreading all along here. Yeah. Leave you guys with that. I will see you guys probably tomorrow morning. Considering we'll probably get nothing. Alright, big update here. Big update. So, today, 36, feeling like 39 now. Oh, and the UV at 11, that's pretty ridiculous. So no longer 40. Thank for that. And then tonight we still have a 6% chance of showers in the evening and after midnight with the risk of thunderstorms. Still got that going for us. And then we just cool down slightly. Saturday's still pretty warm, 34 feeling like 38. Although pretty gusty winds out of the south, so that might moderate temperature slightly. But then we just cool down to the by next week we cool down to the high 20s, low 30s even. Although I do believe a thunderstorm threat for Monday, but now they're signaling not, but I have big doubts with that. But there's the forecast from Environment Canada there. So that one's done. And then the weather here. Oh, itchy nose. Next, we got the weather network here. They got us in a thunderstorm threat for this afternoon, this evening, and overnight. And then we got Monday here. It's not bad still. But then nothing else beyond that, although they keep temperatures below 30 except for Wednesday here, the 5th. But yeah, pretty straightforward there, nothing big. We'll remove that actually. And then Environment Canada is fucking insane. So this is probably one of the most active days of the year. We are now thankfully, instead of not being in risk, we're in moderate risk today for 10mm rainfall rates, per hour rainfall rates, and 80km/h wind gusts. That's more acceptable than what was initially known threat period. And I presume that's with tonight's threat. And I'll be more than happy to take that. I'll be more than happy to take such threat over nothing. But yep. There you guys go. I will see you guys a little bit later on today with the 11 o'clock update. Yep. Wow. Yep. This is very good. The days is getting better and better. So, we got a 30% chance now, today. 30% chance of showers late this afternoon with the risk of thunderstorms. Still 36, feeling like 39. Tonight is now up from a 60 to 70% chance of showers this evening and after midnight with the risk of thunderstorms. Overall, big upgrade. This is really fucking good. Really good. So here it is here. So we got a 30% chance, kind of right around where I leave to my grandparents' place, which is around 3-4 o'clock. And then I'm over there till about 7. Although I will stay up there till about 8 if storms are coming. But yeah, thunderstorm threat, 30% from 3 to 5, 70% from 6 to 1. Overall threat is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11 hours long. And the outlook here is nothing more than an expansion of the severe threat up in the central interior, but down here we do have ourselves a little moderate risk for 80k wind gusts and 10 millimeter per hour rainfall rates. We still got that going. And new weather station, so now I can actually just show you guys from my room rather than need to go all the way outside to get cooked and then come back in just to see a temperature. But yeah, there you guys go. I will see you guys later on today once shit starts getting going. While we're waiting for this storm development to start up, which is getting ready to begin, cap is eroding, cape is increasing significantly, shear is still lacking, but that should be worked out in the next couple hours. Essentially, I should start seeing some decent convection beginning at around, I'd say the latest 5-6 o'clock, like the absolute latest, actually, yeah, absolute latest 5-6 o'clock. But this is tomorrow. We're gonna minor risk ever so slightly for just some casual thunderstorms tomorrow. I'm wondering how that's gonna go. Wasn't expecting that. That gives me a good idea with what the forecast is gonna be for tomorrow. And then current temperature right now is a nice 33 degrees here. 32. This tallies up to, it was initially 34, so a 37 degree human X value, but I'm pretty sure it's probably dropped down to a 36 now. But yep, we shall see how today goes. Yep. So updates out, and now they've pushed a better threat to this evening now, but still 70% chance. Risk of thunderstorms this evening and after midnight. Still pretty solid. So here it is now. So it's supposed to be 30% now, right up to 7, and then 80 at 8. 70 at 8, and then until 1. So that's still a go, but it's delayed threat potentially. But we'll see. I'd say around 6-7 seems a decent time as well. Still waiting for convection to fire. I'll keep you guys posted. But they are absolute trash. This was expected. Amnest was predicting this, but just an hour or two earlier. So essentially, if we don't see really robust stuff by like 6-7 o'clock, well, actually no. I want you to go say 7 to 8 because this stuff was forecasted by Namnast by a lot earlier, but this happened a little bit later, so maybe stuff will be an hour later than I initially thought. So my guess is probably going to be more so 7 to 8 now, but we'll see. But that could also change things, but the wind shift thing is happening, so essentially I'd expect some decent convection around 6-7 o'clock between there. And I expect stuff to really be getting going around 7, beyond 7 o'clock. But yeah, some crap faction to start off here, getting capped off. We shall see how the rest of it does. The rest of the day does. As you can tell, nothing.
It all comes down. It's pretty hazy too because of fires from Washington and all that, but we shall see what the rest of the day does. But like I said, around 6-7 o'clock I do expect some pretty robust development, and then beyond that some pretty significant shit.
I'll spin a hope strings on this. I'm going to be making an outlook, and then I'm going to check back. So that'll be about half an hour, just let it do its thing. So that'll be probably maybe 2-3 radar updates. This is our last hope. Well, not really. I mean, we have the rest of the night up till 1 a.m., but like the actual good stuff, this is the last hope. We'll see. Alright, so hopes have increased slightly. Slightly meaning could still get fucked up. So this may be wondering where all this high cloud cover has come from. And it has come from a severe storm currently in the South Okanagan that is treading right towards us, northeast. It's more so northeast, I'd say, but they're saying northeast. They don't really say it in that way, but. And then we have, if we head down this way, we have a bunch of convection. Actually, I can't even really show it much from here. We have a bunch of convection firing all down here on either side of the severe storms and ahead of it. So my theory is the trough is now making its beeline closer to BC, so it is increasing the intensity of these storms, allowing storms to actually force its way up. But I'm not leaning too much hope on today, but looks like we may be in for a long evening. On another note, it is humid as fuck. I checked my weather station. It is 29 with a 44% humidity, which I think that translates to about like almost low mid 30s as a humidex value. But yeah, we are watching storm development all along here to our south. I am not jinxing anything because I have still minimal hope. I have from 0 to now minimal hope. So, still some hope. It's just a matter of waiting now and hoping for the best. All I want is lightning and maybe a good hit of a storm. That's all I expect. We will see how the rest of the night goes. Conveniently enough, the rate that these storms are moving, by the time they're close enough, it'll be almost pitch dark, thanks to this cloud cover. So we'll actually be able to see the flashes coming out of the mountains as it progresses closer, if it's still going by, let's say 9 o'clock. I mean, it's not been on a significant weakening trend, it's kind of been splitting. So there's more cells developing and all that, so it's not gonna, I don't know. We're gonna see. I'm just hoping and praying we get put in a severe watch, which seems very probable at this rate. We will see. I will see you guys later on tonight. Okay. Well, I just went from absolutely hating today to wishing I didn't hate it so early. It is all of a sudden picked up over the lake, which is what I wasn't expecting. And from what I can tell, that's coming up this way. And then we got some cells firing here that could be doing something too, so I'm going to go bike up to my vantage point now and watch this come in. We got this as well that could get some lightning going tonight as well. But this looks like it'll be the star. That should be here probably in about 10-20 minutes if it keeps itself together. I will see you guys up at my